Hello, it's me, Rich Pin again. I got something totally different for you today. And it's right here on the bench. Come over here and take a look at it. Here's the item I got today. It is a bicycle lever storage stand made by a company called Bike Hand. This is a YC96. You say, it's a bicycle stand, so what? No, it's more than that. A regular stand, you'd have to lift the bike onto the stand. This is automatic. Here's a graph of what it looks like. You'd roll the bike in here. This piece would tilt down. This lever, which is spring-loaded, would hold pressure onto the tire. Now the bike is secured and it won't fall over. All automatic. And it folds down into a very small shape. Let's take a look at it. There it is. It is nice heavy metal, powder coated finish. All the legs that make contact are rubber, so they're not going to mar your floor if you want to keep it inside, or you can keep it outside because there's nothing going to rust on this. Here's the spring that holds this arm in an upright position to hold the bike, and this is what the bottom looks like. We've got a couple of bolts on each side. Very simple, very functional. Now, to get it ready for the bike, we have to unfold it. We're going to move this down, move this lever up. Now we can move this lever into position. You'll hear it lock when it gets into position. There. You can see it's spring-loaded. So now it's ready for the bike. We would roll the bike into here like this. This would come down, make contact here like this. And now the bike is locked into position. We just pull on the bike comes back out, bang, it's out. We want to fold it up to store it. Just take this little lever right here, which is also spring-loaded, pull that out this way, lever comes down like this. Now it's ready to be stored. It's a very ingenious little bike stand. Alright, let's go get a bike and see how it works. This is the bike we're going to be using for our bike stand today. It's got 29-inch rims and it has 42mm tires on it. That should put it somewhere in the middle as far as tires go. Road bikes have narrower tires and mountain bikes have a lot wider tires, so this should be a good test. Alright, we're ready to put the bike on the stand. I'm going to roll it into position, push it in, and it wasn't that much effort at all. It just went in nice and easy. Stability wise, moves around a little bit, but if we give it a good little shove, it's pretty sturdy. Now, to remove the bike, we'll just pull it and it'll come right out. No release levers or anything like that. Let's flip the bike around. We'll put the front tire in. Just like that. No problem. Now if you look over here in the front, you'll see this piece right here that contacts the tire. It has a cone shape to it, so it fits quite a few different width tires. So there shouldn't be any problem there. But that's the bike stand. She works out pretty good. Wow, that's a wrap for the bike stand. What do you guys think? Come on, I want to hear it. I like it. I give it 2 thumbs up. And you could even use it for a work stand. You know, it moves a little bit, but I don't think it'll give us any problems. And what I like about it is, when you're ready to go, you just push the bike out. And then the mechanism goes flat and it's ready to be pushed right back in. No hassle. I think it's a keeper. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.